Hi everybody, it's Joy again. So I'm at I guess they call it the lot, which is like a market. And how do I show this? Well, as you can see, there's people. It's not crowded though, but you know, people are out, and I wanted to show something I thought was really cool. Look at this giant fan. Like, I think that's probably the biggest fan in the world, right? Well, other than like a windmill, but the windmill is not really a fan. That's a fan. That thing's gigantic. Anyway, thanks for checking in.